Are you looking for ways to better manage your finances and reach your financial goals? In this video, we will provide step-by-step instructions on how to create a budget. We will discuss the key principles of budgeting and provide tips on how to track your spending and make adjustments as needed. Watch this video to learn how to create a budget that works for you. Hi everyone, my name is Earl Charles and today we are going to talk about how to create a budget. Budgeting can help you keep a handle on your finances, plan for the future, and make sure you have enough money to cover your living expenses. In this video, I will discuss some of the key principles of budgeting, and then provide step-by-step instructions on how to create a budget. Let's get started. Step 1. Determine your income. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income. Your income includes your salary, wages, tips, bonuses, alimony, and any other income you receive. Calculate your average monthly income and write it down. Step 2. Calculate your expenses. The next step is to calculate your expenses. Start by listing all of your fixed expenses, such as rent, car payments, insurance payments, etc. Then, list your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Total up all of your expenses to get an estimate of how much you are spending each month. Step 3. Set goals. Once you have calculated your income and expenses, it's time to set some financial goals. Think about what you want to accomplish with your budget. Do you want to save for a vacation, start an emergency fund, or pay off debt? Set realistic goals that you can work towards. Step 4. Create your budget. Now that you have your income and expenses calculated and your financial goals set, it's time to create your budget. Start by subtracting your expenses from your income to get an estimate of how much money you have left over each month. Use this amount to allocate money towards your financial goals. Step 5. Track your spending. The last step is to track your spending. Keeping track of how much you are spending will help you stay on track with your budget. You can use apps or websites to track your spending and make sure you are staying within your budget. Step 6. Make adjustments. Once you have created your budget, you will need to make adjustments as needed. Life is unpredictable, and your budget may need to change to accommodate for unexpected expenses or changes in your income. Make sure to review your budget periodically and make adjustments when necessary. Step 7. Ask for help. If you are having trouble creating a budget or sticking to it, don't hesitate to reach out for help. You can speak to a financial planner or budgeting expert to get advice on how to create and maintain a successful budget. Conclusion. Creating a budget is an important part of financial planning. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create a budget that works for you and your lifestyle. With a budget in place, you can be sure to manage your finances and reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.